All right, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live training session for today. So as usual, we're going to be analyzing the market, and we'll be looking for signal and entry opportunities. Okay. So when I get an entry opportunity, I'm going to provide the signal for everyone, uh, to anticipate. Um, so for you to be able to place trades with me here live, you need to deposit into your trading account, right? And if you deposit into your trading account on this live stream, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. I have a premium group where I give signals, market reports, and market analysis. So, um, if you found on my live stream, as I've said earlier, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. Now, if you want to fund, you see that banner where deposit with benefits is written on. Click on the banner. So when you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. Now, when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session. All right. So guys, let's look at what's going on in the markets. Make sure to fund the account so you can enjoy the signals in the premium group. All right. So let's take a look at what's going on in the forex market. We are currently on GBP NZD, a GBP NZD 1 hour time frame. All right. Okay. I think we should start with, let's say, XAUUSD instead. Yes. So let's start with XAUUSD. So I have this previous analysis here, and you see, yesterday I gave the signal to my premium members, and they all made profit from it. So you see, it was a sell signal, and the market came down as predicted. All right. So we have a break of structure, a break of trend line rather. So we have a break of trend line to the downside. Okay, we have a break of trend line to the downside. So our next entry depends on how the market reacts to our trend line. All right. So we have this trend line above, um, our resistance trend line. Then we have another one below, which is supposed to be our support trend line. But unfortunately, the market broke it down, break, below the support trend line, and right now it's trying to make a retest. All right. So for me, I believe this market is going to continue to go bearish. All right, because there's going to be a retest here, and after the retest, I think the market will continue to go down. So this is my speculation after the analysis. See, so I think this market is going to go down. Right, we should be looking for sell entry. So we have two entries. Okay, we have multiple point of interest. We have double point of interest. We have we have the we have the fair value gap, and then we have the other block. Okay, we have the fair value gap. We have the other block. So whichever one the market decides to sell from. So this is our take profit, and this is our stop loss. So we have an analysis on XAUUSD. Okay, and with my analysis, I strongly believe that the market uh, is going to move bearish. All right. So we have analysis on XAUUSD, and as I've said earlier, I'm waiting for the market to get to this point, right? All right, so let's go to another instrument to make analysis on. So we are currently on BTC USDT. Okay, we are currently on BTC USDT. Okay, so we are currently on BTC USDT. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, the market looks sharp, and the bullish momentum is still very strong. Okay, so from the look of things here on the 2 hour time frame, I think the market is going to continue to buy. All right, I think the market will continue to go bullish. Let's see. So here we have multiple areas where the market has, had previously rejected from. So we have a fair value gap that is untapped yet. Okay, so we have a fair value gap, but it's not mitigated yet. So I think the market would most likely want to come down to mitigate, these zones, before continuing its, bullish movement. So I think the market. So we have a retest here. We have a retest, a valid retest, where the market rejected from a fair value gap, right? So this is a good rejection, and afterwards, the market. So I think the market is going to come down. I think the market is going to move from, this level. But if the market goes above this point, it's definitely going to go, um, either reverse from this trend line or come as far as, tapping from this lower fair value gap. Okay, but I doubt that the market is going to come down to this level because we already have a retest here, and this indicates continuation. All right, and then we also have a break of structure, which also indicates a continuation, a market continuation. Right. So we can also look out for confirmations on the lower time frame. So here we have double bottom, right? So double bottom is a liquidity zone. Okay, double bottom is a liquidity zone. It's an area where buyers, wait for the market to come back to before they make a buy entry. Okay, before they open a buy position. So that is why um, it's a liquidity zone. Okay. So what's going to happen here is the market likes to take liquidity from this kind of areas. So the market will most likely come down to this level, right? Take liquidity, uh, take buyers out of the market, get into their stop loss. So when they are out of the market will then continue to fly up. All right. So that is just my assumption. The market can still decide to do something different. Okay. But my analysis is going to be that the market would come here where we have double bottom. Okay, we have double bottom. Okay, so it's going to come back to where we have double bottom, induce the double bottom, and then continue to trade bullish. Okay. So my entry point will be from this level. Okay, when the market comes back in here to make a retest, okay, go out, make another retest, and then continue to go bullish. All right, so that's it for BTC USDT. All right, that is it for BTC USDT. All right, so this is my analysis for BTC USDT. Now, let's make analysis from BTC USDT cousin. Right. So this is Ethereum, and Ethereum is BTC USDT family. This is Ethereum USDT. So it's all always making moves similar to the move BTC is making. But let's see what's going on with the market today, because I see uh, a wide movement with a very long spiked candle, which is this. Okay. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I want to see why we have this movement here. So you see, we have a break of structure from the higher time frame, and then we also have, we also have another block, and the other block is currently controlling what we have. Okay, so we have a zone here. Okay, we have a resistance zone that is pushing the market bearish. So we just need to be patient here, and Okay. Sorry for the lost in communication, guys. So let's continue with our analysis. Right. Ethereum USDT. Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, the market is currently expecting a resistance zone. Okay, so we have an order block, and the market, is trying to move down from the order block, right? Trying to make a pullback. So what we're going to do now is we still need confirmation from from the lower time frame. You know, we need confirmation. We want to see the market taking liquidity and changing character, right? Before we look for sell opportunity. So, and right now, that is not uh, that is not happening. Okay, so there's currently no opportunity, right? So we're gonna give this a little bit of time. Uh, then we'll come back to it later to see if we have another opportunity. So another thing we can do here is wait for the market to close, below this trend line. So once the market closes below this trend line, it's also a good opportunity to sell, all right? But you have to be careful here because when you are selling, we have, so if you are selling here, you see we have multiple rejection zones, right? And our stop loss is also not favorable for, small accounts. So guys, please, you need to be very careful. Uh, think about the money you are risking before you open any position. And this is Ethereum, crypto instruments we are talking about. They are very volatile. They can take you out of the market in minutes, right? So please pay attention to your analysis, your stop loss before you open position. Okay. So when the market closes with a body, all right, not the candlestick, okay, not like this, okay, not like this or this. I want you to close below with a body, a full body, okay, a body closing below. So once we have a body closing below, then we can look, to open a sell position, uh, on Ethereum USDT. So, all right, so that's the analysis uh, on Ethereum USDT. Now let's move on. Let's move along. So we are currently on NAS 100. This is Nasdaq. Okay, this is Nasdaq 100. So we are currently on Nasdaq 100. Let's see what Nasdaq is currently playing at. So from here we had the market breaking structure to the upside. Okay, we have a break of structure. Then we also have another break of structure here. And the market has, been, making move to areas where we have break of structures and retest from there. So we have this first one that happened here. You see how the market came back to this level, retested the level, and then, traded to the upside, right? So here we also have, okay, here we also have the market. Okay, we also have the market uh, pulling back to another block. And after the pullback, the market has been moving bullish ever since. All right. So right now the market is trying to pull back, to make another pullback after this break of structure. So for me, I think the market will probably come to this point. Okay, so we have a level here. We have a support level that can push the market upward. Okay, and this level is our other block zone. Okay, which is this area. Now, let's just wait and see how the market reacts when it gets into this box. All right. So if we get a rejection from here, then we'll be looking to open a buy position from this point. All right. So let's just patiently wait for the market to get into this zone, as I've said earlier. Right. So if we get a rejection from here, that is why we can start to consider opening a buy position from this point. Right. Okay, let's go back to check on the analysis we made earlier to see if any of them has start playing out. Okay, let's check BTC USDT. So BTC USDT also haven't started moving from. All right. So let's check on Ethereum. Let's see if the market, had perhaps closed below the level. So on the 15 minutes time frame, the market didn't close. Sorry, on the 30 minutes time frame rather, the market, the candle is still printing, and we need it to close below, okay, below the trend line. So what I'll do is I love to, see the 1 hour candle close below instead, and we have about 10 minutes and few seconds to the end of the candle. So guys, we'll just wait till the end of the candle to see if there's going to be a close below the trend line. So once we get a close below the trend line, then we can consider, selling this instrument, right? So we have 10 minutes to the end of our session, and we also have 10 minutes to the end of the 1 hour candle on Ethereum USDT, as we've seen earlier. So let's not waste the 10 minutes. Okay, let's quickly analyze the forex pairs and see if we can also get entry opportunities from them. So let me quickly look at the one that that can give us an entry opportunity. So here we also have Euro AUD, and Euro AUD has been doing very well. So we have the market moving from this point. Okay, and then we have a liquidity grab right inside, the box, and then the market went as far as breaking, changing character around here. So this is our change of character, and the next thing we want to get here is this is the last candle here. So this is our order block. Okay, that's our order block, and the market is trading down. Let's see if it's going to get to this point and reverse from there. Okay, so we have 6 minutes and a few more seconds to the end of this candle. So hopefully the candle will get here before the end Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, I think we can increase this a bit. Yes. So this is much better. So if we get a rejection from here, our entry is going to be from here. Our stop loss will be here, and our take profits will be at the top, right? All right. So we have analysis on Euro AUD. Now let's go to Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD is doing almost the same thing, right? So Euro CAD is, uh, you know, making similar moves as we had on Euro AUD. So we just patiently wait for the market to get into this level. And once that happens, we are expecting the market to trade bullish. So this high here will be our take profit level, and this low can be our stop loss. Okay, so I think we should stay with these two analyses, see how things work out before the end of our session. All right, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, they are both heading towards the support zone. So let's see what happens when the market gets into the support zone. Okay, we want to see if the market is going to get rejected from that zone, or if it's going to break below the zone. So if it closes inside the zone, it's not a good indication for a reversal. Okay, but what I want to see is I want the market to get inside, then reject. Okay, so the rejection I'm expecting is a long wick with a small body, and I want the wick to be below, the body to be above. All right, so less than 2 minutes to the end of the candle, and as you can see, the candle is currently inside uh, the support box. Okay, let's check Euro AUD too. Yes. So let's see what happens from here. Let's go to the lower time frame. So the rejection is not happening. Uh, I think the BS still has the strong momentum for now. So let's just quickly take a look at XAUUSD. Okay, so XAUUSD is heading towards uh, our resistance zone above. Okay. Okay, so this closed below. I'm going to share this to the Telegram group. Okay, so everyone can take advantage of it. All right. So, guys, we've come to the end of our session for today. Join me again tomorrow, same time. Let's analyze the markets and look out for entry opportunities. So